In this video, we're going to learn how to perform hexadecimal multiplication. So the first thing that you need to do before you start anything is to list the range or the terms that are involved in base 16. So there is normally from 1 to 9, then there is A, B, C, D, E, and F. A stands for 10, B stands for 11, C stands for 12, D 13, E 14, and F is 15. So now let us perform this multiplication. So you just have 2 DC and you're multiplying that by BC. So times BC. So the first step is to take C times C. C times C, that is interpreted as C is 12, so that is 12 by 12, and 12 by 12 is 144. So you divide that by the base, and you find that 16 goes into 144 9 times, and there's a remainder of 0. So you come and write the 0 and carry 9. So you write there 0, and then you have a carry 9. So in the next step, you will just take the carry first, which was 9, so that you don't forget, plus now the multiplication, that is C times D. C times D. So that is interpreted as 9 plus C, and C is 12. So that is 12 times D, and D is 13. So 9 plus 12 times 13 will give you 165. Again, you divide this by the base to convert it to base 16. So you'll find that 16 goes into 165 at 10 times, but 10 is written as A. So that is A. So it goes there 10 times and there's a remainder of 5. So you come and write this 5 there, and you have A as the carry. So you have A as the new carry, so that in your next step, you start with the carry, that is A, plus now the next multiplication, that is C times 2. So A plus C times 2. So that can be interpreted as A is 10. So 10 plus C, which is 12, times 2. So 10 plus 12 times 2 is 34. So you convert that to base 16, and you find that 16 goes into 34 2 times, and there's a remainder of 2. You come and write that down because there is no any other number to multiply by C to the left. So just write there 2, 2. Then now you move to the next term, that is B. So the next step would be B times C. So B times C is the same as 11 times 12. 11 times 12, and that will give you 132, which you will divide by the base to convert it to base 16. You find that 16 goes into 132 8 times with a remainder of 4. So you come here and write 4, and then you carry 8. So the next step, you take the carry, which is 8, plus now the next multiplication. The next multiplication is B times D. B times D. So you can interpret that as 8 plus B. And remember, B is 11 times D, and D is 13. That is 11 times 13. When you do that, you're going to get 151, which again you divide by 16 to convert it to hexadecimal. You find that 16 goes into 151 9 times with a remainder of 7. So you come and write 7 there and have 9 as the carry. So in the next step, you start with the carry. The carry is 9, now plus the next multiplication, which is b times 2. So that is like 9 plus b, and b is 11 times 2. So 9 plus 11 times 2 is going to be 31. So again, you divide that by the base, and you get that 16 goes into 31 one times, and there's a remainder of 15, but 15 is written as f. So you come, because there's no any other number left to the left, you just write 1f the way it is. So you have f, and then you have 1. Then you now add these two questions. So let us do that. So the first one will be 0. Just drop that 0 down there. The next one will be 5 plus 4, which is just 9. The next one will be 2 plus 7, which is just 9. Then the next one is 2 plus f. So you have 2 plus f, that is the same as 2 plus 15, which is just 17. You convert that to base 16, you find that 16 goes into 17 once, and there's a remainder of 1. You come and write 1, and then you have 1 as the carry. You have the carry plus 1, you get that to be 2. So therefore, your answer is 21990 base 16. That is your final solution. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.